Hey y'all, Andy with American Dent Specialists. I just wanted to come and make a video today about the recent hail events that we've had here in Houston, Texas. We're getting a ton of calls for hail damage repair. We're also getting a lot of questions because it's the first time that many people have ever had hail damage. And so I wanted to just make a quick video and let y'all know a few things about hail damage repair that you might not know and a few things that might help you with your claim. So most of the body shops in Houston are going to be inundated with these repairs in a very short period of time. You might feel that it's necessary to rush and get your claim started, and I've got to get my car to the shop, and it's super important because I'm going to run out of time. So one of the most important things about making a claim is I want you to know you have 2 years to make the claim. Okay, 2 years from the time of the event. So I don't want you to feel like there's any rush to get this done. People are busy, you have other things to do. Kids are in sports, parenting, work, all of the things that are going on in your life. This is another to do, but it's not an emergency. All right, unless your windows have been broken out or the car has been rendered undrivable, this is not an emergency scenario, right? We're gonna be here for you for years to come to fix your car, and I don't want you to feel the pressure and the stress of this event. All right, two, the easy steps to getting your hail damage repaired are: one, call your insurance company. Once you make your claim, which because hail is an act of God, is a no-fault claim and should not change your insurance rates, but check with your insurance provider to verify that. But historically, hail damage repair or hail damage does not change your insurance rates when you make a claim. So make an insurance claim, contact your local rental car company. Rental cars are going to be hard to come by here soon. So just, if you're not able to get a rental car, no worries. You have time to get your car repaired. Again, don't stress out about the repair. All right, but get a rental car reservation, and once you have the claim open and a rental car reservation, call a local 5-star rated hail damage repair company and get on their schedule, right? Paintless dent repair is the preferred method for repairing hail damage by most insurance companies and all body shops here in town that have a qualified paintless dent repair specialist. Paintless dent repair is the art of removing hail damage and door dings one at a time by going above and below the panel and removing the pressure that the dent has created by hand, not altering the paint's surface and not painting or filling the car with Bondo and diminishing the value. So paintless dent repair is the preferred method of repair nationwide by insurance companies. So get on the schedule with a 5-star rated paintless dent repair company, and then just wait for your appointment, right? I don't want our customers as a whole to stress out about this event. We've been doing paintless dent repair here in Houston, Texas for 23 years. We have a full collision center in Collision Craftsman that can take care of any additional damage that has been created by the hail, windshields, broken paint, any parts that need to be repaired. So as you're navigating this new event in your life, just know you have time, there is no pressure, and we are here for you if you have any questions. 281-660-3178 is our number here at the shop. You can also reach us at 713-465-8700. You can go online and look at our how-to videos and all of our reviews, letting you know that we do know what we're doing. We also have a few videos on the local news that let you know what to do and what not to do in the case of one of these events. So thank you for your time. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about getting your hail repaired and what options you may have. Have a great day.